Hello guys, welcome to Find My Stock tutorial. Um, just a quick overview. Find My Stock is a web application that's currently working with the Indian Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, by the way. And this is the website through which you can find more details about the tool. Okay, so with this today tutorial, I'm gonna talk about the first few setups that you have to do in the beginning of when you start using the Find My Stock. That's the very first time you have to configure a few things like first one can be what's your account ID as per the trading account, and the second setup is how much money you are initially starting with to invest in the stock. So these are two very important points that we have to configure. So let's see, if you first time accessing the application, this is the look and feel of the application. So you will have a unique URL through which you can log in with your Microsoft ID password that you have shared. So you will see this, and this is where the app is seen. So go to click on Find My Stock, and the system will take you to this page. This is the default page for everybody who will access. They'll see this link. Here your very important link is about the training onboarding. So if you're first time using it, I recommend strongly that you go through this, and of course go through the terms and conditions, because this is investments is riskier. So you should be fully aware what are the risks involved. And if you have any doubts and anything related to this, you can reply and write to me at admin@communitylearning.in. So that's a few do's and don'ts. And then let's start with the setup. So first we go to the customer page. Here you have to declare what's your customer name. So you can write your customer name and the customer code. This customer code is typically 6-digit code that you will receive from Zerodha. That's an account code, so maybe the first two will be alphabets and next four letter would be your account, some numbers, so some running number. And this customer code you'll get from Zerodha, so that you have to upload. But this field is absolute must, because that's how system identifies when you try to upload the recommendation from the Find My Stock. All these recommendations will go through the customer code. So that's very, very important to have this an accurate representation. Otherwise your trade recommendations will not be uploaded by the system, right? That's the first thing you have to do, update the customer code. This is the first field. Second one, go to cash register. So say you want to you're investing 5,000 rupees. So basically you have transferred the 5,000 rupees from your saving account to your trading account from Zerodha. So once that transfer is complete, you're going to enter that amount here, let's say 5,000. And this is a deposit type thing, so you must tag this with deposit. So deposit, withdrawal, expenses and adjustment. So I'll talk about all these things later. First, to begin with, you start with deposit, so make sure that you put that under D as a deposit. So once you enter this, and then that's it. So two setups to begin with. So you do first cash register, go to the customer page, save them, go to the customer page, enter your code, whatever code that you get. So typically your code will be like, let's say 2-digit, that's what I see, and then 1 2 3 4, something like this would be the code. This code that you are receiving from Zerodha, you can enter your customer name, whatever your name is, first name, last name. Of course this is not going to use by system. What's more important is the customer code. And once these two are done, these are the initial setup. Then go to the daily. Let's start the following. Every day you get this, you have this link, you must download this, the CSV file, and you can open the CSV file. And as a normal, this is the normal daily activity. You can see all this detail in my YouTube video, how am I doing, but let me reiterate. So copy the second line to the last line, Control C, and go ahead and copy paste over here. That's your daily file that you are going to update. And once you are done, go to trade book, and then you run daily program. This program will give you the recommendation for you to upload, right? So typically we do this activity on daily basis in the evening time. So once the activities are done, you will go to the order book, and these recommendations you will copy. you will copy this recommendation, and you must open a notepad. Let's say I have this notepad open, so you can open this and you can save it here, and then you can go to file and save as. You can save this wherever you like. Let's say I want to save this at desktop, and I'll say this is Find My Stock, something like that, or you can FMS. So save this. So this file that you have saved now on desktop, this is the file that you have to upload. You can put any file name actually, whichever is convenient. If FMS, XYZ, recommendations, whatever you put, you want convenient, you put it. So that, and then every day you open this file and overwrite the next day recommendation, so that you have like ease of convenience of one day one file, and you don't need to keep creating file. Just open this file, overwrite the recommendation, save it in your desktop or wherever you like, and upload this file in the tomorrow's now when you want to upload it to the NES trading application. This is the recommendation that you should be uploading. So if you see here, this code that I entered, this is going to be used by the system. So make sure you have the right code you're entering, and these are the one-time setup. And now you're good to go. The recommendations are out. They are loaded in this notepad, and you can close this. And this particular file you can upload in a NES trading platform as a basket order. So thank you very much for using this Find My Stock tool. I hope it will create a long-lasting investment in your portfolio. Thank you very much for watching this.